To assign resources to the activities, we need a project that has not been updated. Open your project that has not been updated. Edit. Open the User Preferences form. Set the Calculations and Time Units tab per the screen below. Click Enterprises. Click Resources. Click Display. Click Filter By. Click All Resources. Click or select where you want to create your resources. Click Add. Indent as required. Use the arrows on the Move toolbar to move the resources to the correct indent location. Note: if the new resource wizard is displayed, then close it, as it is quicker just to type in resources. The unit of measure may not be available in your database, so either add it in the admin categories, or do not assign one. Price unit must be entered in the bottom pane. Set the following. Set the default unit / time to 8 hours per day for all the resources. Set the calendar for all resources, yours 5 working days. Calendar, which you have created. Check Calculate Costs from Units and Auto Compute Actuals for each resource. Ensure that the resource effective date in the Units and Prices tab is set to actual project created date or earlier. Otherwise, the resource will be delayed beyond this date when level the resources in the Resource Optimization Workshop.